Look who I found this morning. Look who I found. You just gonna run away? You can tell everybody hi? Hey, can you say hi? You can't say hi? Okay, well you be that way. You be that way. Be nice to the dog. I should make her go outside and do some work. I think she's trying to help Oma here, but really she's
doing something else, running around.
Wanting to go to the door. What are you gonna do with the door? Huh?
Hi.
Oh, now you say hi.
That looks like a sapphire, but I could be wrong. It could be Omaha. They do look a lot alike.
And no, they haven't calved yet. She's been dripping milk for damn near a week. She's still in. We do need to get her out. And creek water, back to the creek. Get this thing cleaned up. And I still need to make a frame to set it on. It's a bitch to pick up with the forks because the forks aren't long enough. So it never works out very well. But I'm gonna let that drain. Fire the pressure washer up. Try to get the inside of it cleaned up some. There, you didn't need to be that close, did you? And go from there. Time I'm done with this and a few other things, maybe I can go open the door on that tractor and get the floor done. But for now, this is what I'm gonna do. That's what everything on top looked like, and worse. There's still lichen and stuff growing in that, but it's grown through the frickin' paint and don't want to come off. Knock more paint off the fiberglass because it gets through the paint and eats into the fiberglass and grows into it. But hey, the inside of the tank's clean. I'm almost done with the truck. I got the door and down there to do where I can reach anyway at the moment. Finish the hood. Oh yeah, I might mention, this is one of those you cover about 1 inch at a time really slow. So it takes forever to get this shit off. A little more of a hill and it can finish draining out. By the looks of what's coming out, I'll probably run the hose over here and flush it a little more. Kind of hard to get the bungs any closer to the bottom than that on these tanks. And yeah, there's still a bunch of stuff growing on the deck, even though I already went over this. So that part's done. We were out here chasing a butterfly. Just saw a monarch, but I don't know where it went. It went that way. And Ty is checking out the baby robins up here.
They just hatched.
She says they just hatched.
Look right here, okay?
Oh, they're in the lower nest?
Yeah, there's nothing in the top one. Do you see them?
Oh, look at that butt.
Say hi, babies. Don't touch.
See if I can get in here close
Pretty
enough.
cool, huh? Yeah, there's nothing in that one, though.
Can you see them? I'm gonna guess you can.
Yep. I don't, well, maybe.
Anyway, you looked. They're on top of the post hole digger. Ty's gonna try. She's standing on the uphill side.
I don't know how many babies are in there, but...
Hopefully you see them. Then she turns you sideways and went to the other way. And
I know there's nothing.
so, anyway. Ty and Blakely spent part of the morning filling more tubs with plants and getting my onions spread out in more than one tub. I can't put 10,000 baby onions in one little tub. Uh-oh, she's got a nest. Oh, what's she gonna do with it? It's full of bird shit. Now she's got bird shit all over her. So, anyway, now we got company. Becky trying to figure out how to drive her Ranger. She got most of this stuff loaded up. There's a root I'm gonna pull out. I got the cable on it. I just got to get up there. And Ty's getting ready to leave with Blakely. And our company left. It was actually Becky's friend Sue and her husband. He hadn't been out here for a long time. Good to visit with them. He's got a little memory issue. He's got that Alzheimer's crap. So, and apparently today he's having a very good day, and she decided it was time to bring him out. He hadn't been here for a long time. So it was good. You know, a couple hours I could have been doing something, but that's life. So notice lights are on, dogs are eating because it's already close enough to that time of day. Get Becky's crap pulled out and see if I can do some other things I want to do first. Maybe I can get some of my stuff done. This one liked it where it was. Took the cable on it and I tried from behind me where the sidewalk is wide. I was barely wiggling it. So I got a little closer, ran the forks under it, and had her about half dug out, and I just barely got it out within a short time to it. Hey, shush! They want out. I can understand that. No, this one's got way more root system than the rest of them have had. The other one popped right out. They've been in there quite long. Hush, puppies. I got a feeling I'll take this out somewhere and drop it a few times. Becky lied to me. She was going to go feed the back barn for me and park her Ranger and let the pups out. They're still in there. I picked that cable and chain up down there yet too. But here's what I've been doing. There's still a hump, which that's fine. Most of the water off there will stay away from the house. Filled in some up here, but I got to watch it because the tank fills right there. Need to come up here with the broom and knock this off. And that's about all I could do with the skid steer. I back scraped as much as I could until I got up in here when the ground goes and that's when it went on top of here. I got as much of that as I could. We apparently have an issue. I'm hoping she just walks right in and goes down the driveway. Anyway, I did that. Bopped a railroad tie out of there. They were rotten anyway. Moved her plant again where she wants it. I gotta figure where the hell this little shit came from. It's a heifer calf. I know that much. I don't need her running down there. Unless she finds the hole she came out of. Maybe if we're lucky she came underneath the gate at the bottom of the hill, but this shit down here is armpit deep. Well, I guess we're gonna find out. Yay! Anyway, I was gonna make this clip and edit it so you'd get it. Then I was gonna, while it was editing and uploading, I was gonna paint the floor of that tractor. I may not get there tonight. So, hey, hope you all had a great Friday. Hope everybody has a great Saturday. And, yeah, let you know about this later. If not on this clip, it'll be, or on this video, it'll be tomorrow. That was fun.
Sorry.
She went down to the end about 4 different times. And unhooked the power to this gate so I could take my pliers and get the handles unhooked because they're bent over. So nobody that's working for the government can unhook a handle. No. Laid them out. Becky sat over there. She was out there. I got her back to the end of the fence down there at the creek. I don't see any sign of where she went through there. So I don't know where the hell she went through. But she's been back and forth here a lot. Mainly about halfway between here and the tree there along the fence and the other end. So who knows? And it was 3:22. I'm going to guess she might be that one over there eating right now. Because by the looks of things, it's been a while since she's been with her mama. And of course, Mama was across the creek over there. Beller and his wife, she kept going to that end. But she's back. We're whooped. It's not only warm out. It's very muggy.
Cowboy? No.
She thinks she's going to touch Cowboy.
All right, that's all I wanted.
Hey, there's a Hopi Dope
Love you.
and her baby.
Bye.
Hi, Hopi Dope. Hi, Hope. Nobody has seen Hope for a while. There she is. Baby's looking good. Huh, Hopi Dope? You come say hi? What, I'm gonna meet you halfway, or are you gonna run off with the rest of these girls? Hopi Dope. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. No? Okay, that's fine. And yeah, I'd definitely say that's the calf over there. Still eating. I keep thinking I need to come out and go for a ride and check everybody. And I thought about making Becky give me a ride in her fancy Ranger.
We gotta get that fence back up.
But I did the other stuff instead. So, anyway, damn lucky I went up there to show you guys what I'd been doing today. Or she could have been out in the road and gone or wherever. Oh geez, there's the brat. Hi, Sapphire.
Hi, Sappy.
There's her mother.
Hi, Sappy.
What's up, Sass? Huh? What's up? Okay, Brent, there you go. There's your Sassy and what?
Sapphire.
That's what I already said.
Oh.
Ruby. And Hope, too.
You look good, buddy.
He does.
Oh, good looking little ball.
That's yours, kid.
Straight back.
I'm glad her kids have longer bodies than hers. Oh, this doesn't look like fun. Anyway, I'll say it again. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope your Friday went well. Everybody has a great Saturday.